Good morning, I am Anthony here. So today we're going to go over Appendix C, how to use the On Your Life pen in their 45-second tools. So if you see me when I actually have a shirt on, you have a pen that says On Your Life on it, I'm going to discuss why. With the right tools, this business can be a lot of fun and it can grow very fast. Remember, the first thing you have to do with someone you meet is to make a connection with them. You need to make a friend. Then you need to teach that new friend how to drive. In other words, help them understand about network marketing. Don't try to explain your entire marketing plan on a street corner or when your prospect is supposed to be working. They may listen politely, but they will shut off all interest. The system never begins with a particular business opportunity. It always begins with lifestyle. That's why the Own Your Life pen is such a great door opener. As for teaching about network marketing, you don't have to do this yourself. This book will do the job for you. The Own Your Life pen. Nancy and I wear the Own Your Life pen everywhere we go. It not only helps us start the conversation with people, it ensures the conversation begins at the right point. When people ask us about the pen, we tell them that Own Your Life is having the time and money to do what you want to do when you want to do it. This allows us to ask a question in return. Do you know anyone that likes to travel and go on holiday? Now we are right into the first step of the system. In other words, the pen gives us an opportunity to get started talking to our prospects about lifestyle first before discussing a particular opportunity. If we wore a pen that had our company name on it and they asked about that, we'd be starting with step 3 of the system, talking about our company and products. This is a problem. As soon as you mention a product, people think you are trying to sell them something. You should get everyone in your organization wearing the Own Your Life pin. This will benefit your whole organization. Let me give you an example. Nancy and I go on a lot of cruises. If we are by ourselves on a cruise and there are 3,000 other passengers, you might get a few people during the course of the week that will ask us about the pen. But when we are having a uniconventional cruise and we have 30 or 40 people with us and they are all wearing the pin, then everyone gets 50 to 60 people asking about it. With 40 people wearing the pin and moving around, the other 3,000 passengers see the pin everywhere. Their curiosity about the pin goes up so high that they want to know what it means. What I just described about wearing the pin on a cruise will also work in your own area. If you are the only one wearing the pin, you will get people from time to time asking you about it. If you get everyone in your group wearing it all the time, this will increase the curiosity in your community and your whole organization will benefit. When people ask us what the pen is made of, we say solid gold. Then we tell them that we are just kidding, but that the pen is worth more than solid gold. Here's why. If the pen triggers the right conversation with the right person and they come into your business, then it can be worth way more than solid gold. People all over the world wear the pen. It is very popular in Japan and Germany. Even though the pen is in English, when someone is in Japan is wearing a pen in English, it just increases the curiosity. In Denmark, many distributors wear the pin upside down. Nancy said to them, "Why are you wearing the pin upside down?" The answer was that when people see it, they want to straighten it and then they ask about it. It is a perfect segue into the system. When Nancy is shopping, she notices someone looking at the pin, but they are too shy to ask about it. She simply says to them, "I bet you want to know what that means." She can then hand them her card with the 402nd presentation printed on the back. This is a great way to make new contacts and friends. The book and CDs. Distributors ask, "At what point do you show the new person the napkin presentations?" The answer is simple: I don't. I give them a book and a CD, and I set a time in the future when I can get back with them and discuss the material. Once they have listened to the CD and read the book, there isn't that much to discuss. Now it's time to sponsor them and get to work helping them to sponsor someone else. By giving your prospect the 45-second presentation book and CD, that gets them through the material twice. The second time through, they will get more out of it. If you give them the book, it's unlikely that they will read it twice, or in the case of giving them the CD only, that they will listen to it twice. Also consider the fact that you don't know whether the person gets more from listening or reading. If they do both, it's almost guaranteed they will take in enough information to convince them that network marketing is something that even they can do successfully. You hear, little man? He wants to watch TV. I suggest that you purchase 10 sets of the 45-second presentation book and CD to supply your downline. The sooner you put these tools to work for you, the sooner your organization will grow. These books and CDs will teach your people the fundamental steps to success. Then you can follow up by sharing your personal success experiences. You can have the most fantastic vehicle in the industry, but until your distributors or representatives know how to drive, they are simply not going to get anywhere. When you teach distributors the presentations in this book, you are teaching them truly how to drive. Bringing a new person into your business or into your vehicle without teaching them how to drive is a waste of time, yours and theirs. The 45-second presentation that will change your life should be used as a giveaway for your new distributors. When they are ready to learn more, they can purchase more training tools at 45second.com. You won't try to drill a hole with your bare hands. You use a drill, so why try to build your business just using your own wits? Make it easy and let the tools do the talking. Again, people ask all the time about the 45-second presentation. I have a company shirt too. I get asked about that, and as soon as I mention what it is, they get sidetracked. The pen gets you talking about the right thing, getting more out of life, having a better quality of life. Y'all be great.